Hello everyone, my name is Max, and I decided to record this video to tell the truth about Crave Burner. Does it really work? Is it good? Why did Crave Burner give results for some people and not for others? Shouldn't the product work for everyone? After all, it's been very successful in the market. So stay until the end of this video because I have some truths to share with you about Crave Burner. First of all, I did some research and found the official website of the Crave Burner manufacturer, and I'll leave it here in the first link of this video's description. But don't click now because it's really important you hear what I have to say. See, Crave Burner is a natural dietary supplement that helps reduce appetite, increase the feeling of fullness, reduce fat stores, and boost metabolism. It was developed to help with weight control and make losing weight easier in a healthy and lasting way. But then, why did Crave Burner work for some people and not for others? Shouldn't it deliver good results for everyone? The answer is simple. Unfortunately, fake products are circulating in the market. Due to Crave Burner's great success, people started counterfeiting the product and piracy spread. That's why you must be careful. If you really want to lose weight without putting your health at risk, you need to buy only original, tested, and proven products. In addition to offering great results, Crave Burner won't harm your health. And as I said in the introduction of this video, to help you out, I got the official website of Crave Burner, which is linked below in the first link of the description. This is the real Crave Burner, a product that will truly help you lose weight without risking your health. It will help control your appetite in a healthy way and effectively burn fat. Another point that made me more confident is that Crave Burner's effectiveness has been proven in scientific studies. It contains innovative ingredients like caroline, which suppresses appetite within just 15 minutes of intake, and GS4+, which helps control blood sugar and reduce sweet cravings. Moreover, its formula is 100% natural, with no side effects. Crave Burner comes in capsules, and they should be taken twice a day, before the main meals, one before lunch and another before dinner. For even faster results, it's important to follow the treatment correctly and drink plenty of water. The recommended kit is 3 to 5 bottles to ensure your treatment is not interrupted. And something that really excited me is that the manufacturers are so confident in the product that they offer a 60-day guarantee. So, if you don't like Crave Burner, they will give you your money back. This shows how much trust they have in the effectiveness of the supplement. So, here's the tip. Be careful with piracy. After all, you'll be ingesting the product, and it's important that it's safe and original. Now go ahead and click the link in the description and visit the official Crave Burner website. Check out the testimonials from people who have used the product and see how it can help you achieve your weight loss goals. I really hope you achieve your goal. Big hug and see you next time.